So in the previous session, we have discussed about the Salesforce CRM overview, and we have discussed what exactly Salesforce.com organization and what kind of services Salesforce offers to the customers on rental basis we have discussed, and why each and every client is adopting the services from Salesforce, and how to access each and every feature offered by Salesforce to the customers on rental basis we have discussed in the previous session. And we have discussed the three classifications of services offered by Salesforce to the customers on rental basis. The first one, softwares. What softwares offered by Salesforce to the customers we have discussed, and what is the use of that software, what we can do, we have discussed. And we have discussed about the platform offered by Salesforce to the customer on rental basis, that is called as a force.com platform. And what we can do with the help of this force.com platform, we have discussed. And we have discussed about the infrastructure facilities offered by Salesforce to the customers. And what are the various regions in which Salesforce maintains their own server in order to provide the infrastructure services to the customers we have discussed. Now, so now today we'll see the CRM lifecycle is also called as CRM process. And we have to understand what are the various stages that we have in CRM lifecycle, which should be come across by each customer, and what we are doing in each stage, and how can we capture the leads, how to convert them as a customers, and upon converting the lead as a customer, what will happen behind the screen in Salesforce, we'll see. That means lead conversion mechanism. And as part of this Salesforce CRM, what are the various terms or the vocabulary or the objects that we are using in order to automate our sales related data, service related data, and marketing related data, we'll see practically today. Okay, now. So now let's see. So that already we know CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, which is used to store all the customers' data at one place. So, Customer Relationship Management is nothing but a software or an application or a tool which contains a collection of features which we can use to automate all our customers' data at one place. So in order to store our existing customers' data and the new customers' data at one place, we are using the help of an application called as Customer Relationship Management Application. In short form, we are calling it as CRM. Simply, we can call it as CRM applications. Now, Salesforce offers a ready-made CRM application that is called as Salesforce CRM. We have so many CRM applications available in IT industry. Yesterday we have listed out like Sugar CRM, PeopleSoft CRM, Siebel CRM, Synergy CRM, Infor CRM, NetSuite CRM, Adobe CRM, SAP CRM, Oracle CRM, Microsoft CRM. So many CRMs are available, but most of the customers are preferring to use Salesforce CRM because Salesforce CRM is the world's first cloud CRM application that we have in IT industry. Salesforce CRM is the world's first cloud CRM application that we have in IT industry, which can be accessible just with the help of two features, browser and internet access. Because it is purely a cloud application, it doesn't require any installations. Directly, we can access this as Salesforce CRM with the help of browser and internet access. Like our Gmail application. Like whatever the way we are accessing Gmail, just we can use the browser, access the login screen, enter your credentials, log in into the application, start performing the operations, whatever you want. The similar fashion, we can access this Salesforce CRM just with the help of browser and internet access in order to store all your sales related data, service related data, and the marketing related data. But in this case, if you want to interact with this Salesforce CRM application, if you want to talk to the Salesforce CRM application, we should be aware of some terminology. We should be aware of some words which we can able to use to communicate with the CRM application. Because in the real world, we are having so many languages. Like for example, assume that now we are all assembled here to discuss about Salesforce CRM. So we are discussing the information in the form of English language because we all can understand English. Suppose if I'm explaining the information in terms of Tamil, you can't understand. If you raise a question in Malayalam, I can't understand. So both the parties has to use the same language. Then only we can convey the information, we can extend the information, and then we can able to pass the information from one person to another. Like the similar way here also. As part of CRM domain, we are having some specific terminology. We have to follow those terms. We have to use the vocabulary to communicate with the CRM application. Now, like for example, let me explain a small scenario. For example, we have insurance. Insurance. I hope everybody is aware of this word insurance. Now tell me, what do you mean by insurance? Hmm. What is the benefit of insurance generally?
It's like a protection.
Okay.
We invest the money for future purpose.
Okay. Now, so
to
basically,
to give some
insurance
insurance.
is a concept. Okay. Insurance is a concept. It's not a technology. It's not a software. It's not a programming languages. It's not a operating system. It's not a database. Insurance is simply a concept which provides various ideas to recover from the damages. Whenever a person met with some damages, it may be property damage, it may be vehicle damage, it may be the health damage also. Whenever the person got hospitalized, in that case, whatever the medical expenses he made, the whole expenses he can reimburse, okay, by using the help of insurance. So insurance is nothing but a concept. So it's a concept which provides the various ideas in order to, okay, claim the expenses. Whatever the reimbursements that you have, we can reimburse those expenses with the help of insurance. Now, as part of this insurance domain, we are having some insurance domain specific terminology. Each domain is having its own specific terminology here. Like, for example, here. Now, for example, today I would like to take a policy from an insurance company. Like it may be from LIC also, Bharati AXA also, Future Generali also, New India Life Insurance or ICICI, HDFC, anything. Whenever we are taking an insurance policy okay, from a company, that company we are referencing it as insurance company. Insurance company. That means the organization from which we took the insurance, those organizations will be called as insurance company. It's a general terminology here. But as part of insurance domain, this insurance company will be called as insurer. Okay, in the insurance domain, we have to call it as insurer. Insurer means what? The person who is offering insurance, the person who is providing insurance, those will be called as insurance insurer. That means insurance companies. In the real world, we are calling it as insurance company, but that insurance company will be referred as insurer. because this is a general terminology and insurer is a domain specific terminology, insurance domain terminology here. Now, for example, I took the insurance policy. Then myself will be referred as what? A customer. I'm the customer of that insurance company, or else myself will be called as a policy holder. Policy holder means what? I took one insurance policy here. I'm holding one insurance policy. Okay, now, as part of insurance domain, myself will be called as insured. Insured means what? The person who took the insurance, those people will be called as insured. Okay, observe the difference between the terminology. Our real world terminology is different and the domain specific terminology is different here. Now, for example, today I met with an accident here. It's a small minor accident over here. Okay, it's a small minor accident. Now this will be referred as peril. As part of insurance domain, this will be called as a peril. Peril means what? The chances of damages are very, very less. That means it's a small minor accident here. Okay, it's a small accident here. So now in this case, the chances of damages are very, very less. Now, suppose for example, we had some major accident over here. Then this kind of major accidents will be called as hazard. Okay, hazard. That means the chances of damages are very, very high. Like for example, assume that my house is available beside the petrol pump. Suppose if any fire accident is happening in the petrol pump, definitely my house will be getting affected. That means the chances of damages are very, very high. These kind of processes are called as hazard. That means what? In the real world, we are using a different terminology over here, but as part of insurance domain, we are using different terminology like as insurer, insured, peril, hazard, like that, various domain specific terminology. Like the similar way, as part of CRM domain also, we are having CRM domain specific terminologies available. We have some specific terms are the objects are the words that we have which we should aware of in order to talk to the CRM application. Not only with the Salesforce CRM, we can take any CRM application which is available in IT industry. It may be Sugar CRM also, PeopleSoft CRM also, or Siebel CRM also, SAP CRM, Oracle CRM. Wherever you go, it may be any CRM application, terminology will be same, no change. Because the background implementation may be different, but the terminology will be same. Then, in this case, so what are those CRM domain specific terminology that we have? Let me explain one by one. Okay, now, so in this case, to understand this terminology, very easily, I will take a small general example. Through the general example, I will explain the complete navigation. I will give the complete information, each and every term and the usage, everything I will explain, in a very easy manner here so that we can understand very easily. Okay, now. So now let me take a small general example. Through the general example, I will explain the complete process and then I will explain each and every stage which we have in CRM and then what is happening in each stage. Okay, we'll see one by one. Okay, now. So now as part of this CRM contains 5 stages. As part of CRM life cycle, we have 5 stages are available. Like for example, assume that we are the human beings. Now we may be living up to 70 years. Okay, we may be living up to 70 years. For the old generation people, they may be living up to 100 years, 110 years also. But for our generation, maximum 70 will be the top. Okay, after that, we can't expect anything here. Okay, because of the current food also, it may be like as environments also. Okay, because of that, we may be living up to 70 years max. Now, our lifetime will be 70 years. In this 70 years, we are having so many stages as a human being. Like initially, for few years, you will be in the child age. Then you will be entering into teenage. And then you will be entering into young age. And then you will be entering into old age. These are the various stages each and every human being should come across in his life cycle. It may be anybody also, rich people, poor people, anybody. Each and every person should come across the same stages in the same sequence in his life cycle. Like the similar way, as part of CRM life cycle also, we have five stages are available. In CRM life cycle, we have five stages are available where each customer should come across all these five stages as part of our CRM life cycle. Then, what are those five stages that we have in CRM life cycle? Now, let me explain. Okay, now, as part of this CRM life cycle, we have five stages are available. The first stage and the second stage and the third stage and the fourth stage and the fifth stage. These are the five stages are available here. There is a stage 1, there is a stage 2, there is a stage 3, there is a stage 4, there is a stage 5. These are the five stages are available in CRM life cycle here. Then what exactly is each stage? Now let me explain. The first stage is nothing but the reach stage. Stage 1. This is the reach stage. Second stage is acquisition stage. Acquisition stage. Third one, conversion stage. Fourth one, retention stage. Fifth one, loyalty stage. Loyalty. These are the five stages are available over here. Reach stage, acquisition, conversion, retention, and the loyalty. These are the five stages are available here. So, as part of this CRM life cycle, these are the five stages are available here. Each customer should come across all these five stages here. Okay, now, then what exactly each stage indicates? Then, how can we go to each and every stage? What is happening behind this each and every stage? How can we move the customer from one stage to another stage? We'll see practically here. Now, so now let me take a general example. Through the general example, I will explain the complete life cycle process, each and every stage as well. Okay, now, so let me take a small scenario. For example, I have an organization. I have an organization. This is some Dell. Now, I hope everybody is aware of this organization. Okay, now, so now tell me, Dell is into what? They're into what? They're into banking,
Into laptop.
finance, insurance,
Elec-
healthcare,
yes,
manufacturing, pharmaceutical, or what? Manufacturing.
electronics,
Dell
electronics
is
manufacturing.
a manufacturing
Manufacturing.
organization. They're into manufacturing organization. So now we have so many organizations are available. For example, Reddy Labs. Reddy Labs also one of the pharmaceutical manufacturing organization. These people are manufacturing some pharmaceutical products. But when coming to the Dell people, what these people are manufacturing? They are manufacturing various hardware devices like laptops,
Mobile.
desktops, mobiles, tabs, projectors, printers, scanners, webcams, keyboard, mouse, like that the various accessories. Accessories means small parts of the products here, like as keyboard and mouse and webcam. These are called as small accessories. So Dell is a manufacturing organization who are keep on manufacturing the various hardware devices. Like for example, desktops, laptops, projectors, printers, and then they're having the tabs, mobiles, and the various accessories. Various accessories. Now, so now every year, Dell people are coming up with the latest models of products. They're introducing the latest models of desktops, laptops, projectors, printers, and various other products. Now tell me, really Dell people are manufacturing each and every part of this product? No. So
No.
in order to manufacture a laptop, it requires so many internal components. They required a screen, they required a keyboard
Yes.
feature, they required a mouse, they required a motherboard, they required a keyboard also, they required SMPS also, they need a processor also, they need RAM, they need hard disk. They want so many internal components are required. So now tell
Yes.
me, really Dell people are manufacturing each and every part of this product? No.
No, no, no.
Okay, basically, Dell people are not manufacturing even a single part of the product also. Okay, now, for example, tell me, do we have any RAMs from Dell organization? No.
No.
Do we
No.
have any hard disks from Dell organization? No. Do we
No.
have any motherboards from Dell organization? No.
No.
Do we have any SMPS, that means power supply, which a feature inside that device? No.
No.
We don't have any such devices here because Dell people are not manufacturing even a single part of the product. Now, in this case, you can raise a question, sir, if Dell people are not manufacturing even a single part of the product, then how Dell people are providing these many number of products with a different designs, with a different features, with a different configurations? Now,
Because
in
they
this
are
case,
taking.
whenever Dell people are going to be introducing some new models of products, Dell people are concentrating only on two things. Dell people are concentrating only on two things. First one, design. That means they are concentrating on the design part of the product. Because for every product, design is very, very important. If the design is looking like good, if the design is looking like attractive, then it will attract the customer. So the customer will show interest to buy the product. Suppose if the design is not looking like good, then even though you are offering very excellent features, nobody will buy the products here. So that design is very, very important. So that Dell people are mainly concentrating on design part of the product here. First of all, they will design that product. That means how my next model of laptop look like? How will be my next model of desktop look like? How will be my next model of printer look like? How will be my next model of tab look like? They will be concentrating on design. So once the design has been finalized, then as a step two, they're concentrating on new features. Because whenever we are introducing a new model of the product into the market, definitely the customers are expecting some new features. Why? Because, okay, why? Because if I am offering the same feature, old features in my new model also, nobody will buy my product here because it's a new model, it's a new version. So definitely the people are expecting some new features inside that. So as part of this new model of product, what new features we are planning to introduce so that they're concentrating on new features. Okay, in this new model of laptop, what new features we are planning to introduce? In the desktop, what new features we are planning to introduce? In tab, what new features? In printer, what new features? They're planning to be introducing that new features over there. So in this case, as part of this Dell organization, they're mainly concentrating on these two things. First one, design of the product, which indicates how will be my next model of laptop and desktop or printer or projector look like. So they're concentrating on design. Once the design has been finalized, they're concentrating on new features which they're planning to introduce in each and every product. Now, so once a new features also has been finalized, then according to the design, according to the new more features, whatever the product they are going to introduce, in order to build the product, whatever the internal components are required, internal parts are required, each and every part they're collecting from various third party logistics and the vendors. That means in order to prepare that latest model of laptop or desktop or printer, whatever the internal components are required, whatever the parts are required, each and every part they're collecting from the various third party logistics and vendors. Third party logistics means what? These are the small companies who are expert in a particular part of the product. Like for example, if you want to buy a laptop, okay, so if you want to buy, okay, like as a hard disk, we are going for, okay, Seagate. Seagate people are experts in hard disk manufacturing. If you want to buy a processor, we are going with what? Intel, because Intel people are experts. If you want to buy a webcam, we can go with like as, okay, Logitech. Logitech people are experts. If you want to buy a keyboard, then we can go with that Logitech. Logitech people are experts in, okay, keyboard and the mouse and the webcams here. These people are experts. So that means each and every organization is having some expertise in a particular part. So in this case, these small organizations are called as third party logistics and the vendors. Now, vendor means an organization who provides a particular part of the product here. Now, in this case, Dell people are having the contacts with all these third party logistics and the vendors. Now, they will collect each and every part from the various vendor. That means hard disk from one vendor, processor from another vendor, motherboard from another vendor, SMPS from another vendor, screen from another vendor, mouse from another vendor, keyboard from another vendor. So they're collecting all these small parts from the various third party logistics and the vendors, and all these parts are placing inside a location that is called as a Dell warehouse. So, in order to build these latest models of products, whatever the parts are required, all these parts they are collecting from the various third party logistics and the vendors, and all these parts they are placing inside a location that is called as Dell warehouse. Dell is having a major warehouse in China. That means in Chengdu location, they're having the Dell major warehouse is available here. So whatever the parts are required, all the parts they're collecting, they're placing inside the Dell major warehouse. Okay. Now, let me give the navigation also here. Now, in this case, they will collect the parts from third party logistics. And all these parts, they are going to placing inside the Dell warehouse. Now, so once all the parts are available inside the Dell warehouse, from this warehouse, they're distributing all these parts to various countries in the world. Now, in each and every country, Dell is not having any manufacturing plant. They don't have any manufacturing plants over here. Dell is having factories. Dell is having factory. In India also, Dell is having a factory which is in Chennai. In Chennai, Dell is having a factory. So, whatever the parts they have collected from the various vendors which are available inside the Dell major warehouse, from this major warehouse, they are distributing the parts to various Dell factories available in different okay, countries in the world. So now in this case, whatever the parts are available, these parts will be shipping to that Dell factory here. Dell factory. So now in India also Dell is having a factory which is in Chennai. Now, as soon as the parts has been arriving to the Dell factory, in this Dell factory, the actual manufacturing people are available here. They have the actual manufacturing people are available. Now, these manufacturing people are going to be collecting each and every part, and they are going to be assembling all the parts together here. They will assemble all the parts together, and they are going to be preparing the product. On that product, they are giving the brand of Dell over here. Okay. Now, so whatever the parts are required, all the parts are going to be distributing from Dell warehouse to the various Dell factories available in different countries in the world. In this Dell factory, the actual manufacturing people are available. These people are going to be collecting each and every part. They're assembling all the parts together. They would like to make it as a product. On that product, they're giving the brand of Dell, and these products are releasing into the market here. This is what the actual processes is going on as part of Dell organization. So we are getting so many new models of products from Dell. But Dell people are not manufacturing even a single part of the product also. Whatever the parts are required, they're collecting from various third party vendors and they're assembling all the parts together. They're making as a product, they're releasing the product into the market over here. Okay? Understood the concept here? Now. So now tell me in this case, in order to prepare these products, Dell people are investing some billions of dollars because they are not preparing one product. They are not preparing two products. They are preparing the products in terms of bulk. They are preparing so many models of products in terms of bulks. So millions of products are preparing over here with a different designs, with a different configurations, with a different features. So in this case, in order to prepare these products, they have invested some billions of dollars. Now tell me, once all the products are ready, then once the products are ready to test, then they will do the testing process of the product also. Once the products are working very fine, now tell me, Dell people are going to do what with these products? Who is going to use these products? Dell employees? No. Then customers. That means what? Whatever the products they have prepared, these products they are not manufacturing for the Dell employees. These products they would like to sell out to the common people over here. Now, in this case, now tell me, how can we give this information to the common people? As a Dell employee or as a Dell salesperson or as a Dell manufacturing person, we know what models of products we have prepared, how the design look like, how the color look like, what kind of discounts we are offering on the product, what new features we have introduced in each and every product, what kind of warranties we are offering, what kind of services we are offering, what kind of discounts we are offering, everything we know as a Dell employee or a Dell manufacturing person or a Dell salesperson. Then how can we share this information to common people?
By
By
advertising.
Advertisement.
using advertising, right? Now in this case here, once the products are ready, once the products are ready, then we have to give the awareness about our products to common people here, because these products we have prepared in order to sell out to the common people, so we have to share this information to the common people. For that one, Dell people are going to be using the help of marketing team. They have their own marketing department. In that marketing department, there are so many employees are available, like marketing heads, marketing managers, marketing executives. Now tell me, these people are going to be doing what? What is the main responsibility of marketing people? Hmm.
Advertising their product.
Okay. Now, in this case, the main responsibility of each and every marketing person is they have to promote our products.
They are
Promoting the products
promoting the
means what?
Dell products.
Giving the information about our products to the common people, giving the information about our organization, giving the information about our products to the common people, giving the information about new models of products, giving the information of new features which we have introduced, giving the information of discounts what we are offering, warranties what we are offering, services what we are offering, benefits what we are offering, discounts what we are offering. So now they have to promote the products by using all these ways. Now, in this case, now tell me, how can we promote the products? Can you give me some channels or the ways in order to
Digital
promote our product?
marketing, television,
Okay,
newspapers, social
Digital
media.
marketing, management, mass
okay.
media.
Then ads
Campaigning.
also. Hmm.
Pamphlet.
Any more?
In,
Billboards, okay.
pamphlet.
advertisement,
Hmm. Now, as
website,
part of this marketing team, they are using so many marketing channels. We have so many marketing channels are available in the real world in order to promote the products. In order to promote the products, we are having so many marketing channels are available. Like for example, so now we are having that campaigns. We can conduct a campaign. We can conduct a stall. We can go with the TV advertisements. We can go with the theater advertisements. We can go with pamphlets. We can go with posters. We can go with banners. We can go with hoardings. We can go with the digital marketing. We can go with the telemarketing. We can go with email marketing. We can go with the trade shows. We can go with events. We can go with webinars. We can go with the social media platforms. And we can go with that the free samples. Various ways are available here. Okay, various ways are available. In order to promote the products, we are having so many marketing channels are available, like campaigning. We can conduct some stalls also, TV advertisements, theater advertisements, pamphlets, posters, banners, hoardings, digital marketing, email marketing, telemarketing, social media platforms, trade shows, webinars, and then we can conduct some events also, free samples also. So many ways are available in order to promote your product. Now, so these are the various marketing channels are available here. So as part of this Dell organization, this marketing team is using the various marketing channels in order to promote the products. Basically, marketing is not only using in our organizations. Marketing is not only using to promote the products. Marketing we are using in our human life cycle also in so many places. In our human life cycle, in so many places we are using these marketing channels. Like for example, assume that. For example, whenever we are looking for a good match to get married, then we are going to be collecting very good pictures from a photo studio. We are sharing these pictures to the various marriage bureau people in order to promote our profile here. So the marriage bureau people will do the marketing of your profile. They will bring a good match for you. That means we are doing marketing. So whenever we are getting married, in front of that function hall, we are placing a very big flexi that today I'm getting married. That means we are doing some marketing. Whenever we are looking for a new job, we are preparing our own CV. That means resume at the profile. And this profile I'm sharing to the various IT companies to get some interviews so that we can attend, we can get a job. That means we are doing marketing. So marketing is not only using in the real world businesses, we are using marketing in so many places in our human life cycle. Okay, now, so in this case, when coming to the marketing, marketing means just we are promoting the products. We are promoting the products. We are promoting our organizations so that we can share the information about our products to so many people. So that if anybody is interested, they can come to my organization, they can buy my product so that I can capture some customers, I can generate some revenue. So now in this case, in order to capture those people, we are using the help of marketing team. Now this marketing team is going to be using the various marketing channels in order to promote the products. Now, so now let's see in this case, what is happening during marketing here, how these people will do the marketing. We can now let me explain in detail. Now, for example, assume that today Dell people wants to conduct a campaign. Campaigning is nothing but one of the marketing channel in order to promote our organization, our products also both. Not only promoting the products, we need to promote our organization also here because to maintain a brand in the market here. Okay, now, so in this case, today Dell people wants to conduct a campaign in order to promote their latest models of laptops, desktops, mobiles, projectors, printers, and everything because recently okay they have invented some latest models of products with some new designs with some new features regarding that products they would like to conduct a new campaign okay in Hyderabad. So where they would like to conduct the campaign, in order to conduct the campaign they have to select a crowdy area. Okay, in order to conduct the campaign they have to select a crowdy area. Why we need to select the crowdy area? Because if it is a crowdy area, then we can share the information about our products to more number of people in one shot. So this is the right place to conduct the campaign. So that here, in order to conduct the campaigns, okay, they would like to select a crowdy area over there. Now, for example, Dell people have selected a crowdy area that is called as some Amirpet, for example. So they want to conduct a campaign in Amirpet. Where exactly in Amirpet they want to conduct the campaign? They want to conduct the campaign okay, in Amirpet behind some Maitrivanam building here. Okay, behind Maitrivanam building. Behind this my 31M building, they would like to conduct a campaign. So why this behind my 31M building? Because okay, my 31M is a okay, landmark for this Amirpet area. Everybody is passing through this area from morning to okay late night. Till morning to late night, so many people are passing through this area. This is a very crowded area, so this is the right place to conduct the campaign here. That's what, for example, whenever we are visiting any shopping malls on weekends, Saturday and the Sunday, that too in evening time, evening 5 o'clock to till okay night 10 o'clock here. Okay, inside that shopping malls, in so many places, they're conducting so many campaigns because that is the right time, that is the right place to conduct the campaign during the weekend. So many people are coming for the shopping over here. That is a free time the people are getting during the weekends. So that here, all the IT people, non-IT people, everybody is getting okay, some relaxation during the weekends okay, by visiting so many shopping malls, by doing some shopping, whatever they needs. So that is the right place to conduct the campaigns. That's what during the okay weekends, so many people are conducting the campaigns in big shopping malls. Okay, now. So now in this case here also, this is the right place to conduct the campaign because so many people are passing through this area from morning to till late night. So that here they want to conduct the campaign in this area here. Then how they will conduct this campaign? What will happen during this campaigning? Now let me explain. Now, for example, so now during this campaigning, what is happening? Now let me explain. Now Dell people wants to conduct this campaign here. Dell people wants to conduct a campaign which is in some Amirpet behind some Maitrivanam building. Behind some Maitrivanam building. So in order to conduct this campaign, they are going to be establishing a small tent. They would like to place a small tent over here. They are placing a small tent. Now this is the Dell campaign. Okay, this is the Dell campaign. This is the Dell campaign. So they want to conduct a campaign, okay, in Amirpet behind this Maitrivanam building. So now here they're placing a small tent. Why they're placing this a small tent? Because whatever the newly manufactured products available from Dell, those products they would like to place inside this campaign for display purpose. Because nowadays people are very clever. If the people wants to buy a 2 rupees pen, they would like to have the test first. They would like to test it, whether the pen is writing properly or not. Whether it is comfortable to write or not, they will test it first. If it is working properly, if it is comfortable to write, then only we are paying the 2 rupees money to the shop people. Now, in this case, for the 2 rupees pen itself, the people are having the testing, but these products are very expensive. So the people won't invest the money blindly, so that they would like to have a test. They would like to see how the product look like, how the design look like, how the color look like, what configurations are available, what benefits are available, what features are available, what discounts they are offering, what warranties they are offering, they should be aware of. So the people can come and visit my campaign. They can see how my next model of products will look like. They can see that. So based on that, they can take the decision whether they can buy or not. So for that reason, in order to provide, in order to place the recently manufactured products for the display purpose, they are going to be establishing a small tent. In this tent, they would like to place the recently manufactured products. Like whatever the laptops they have manufactured and the desktops they have manufactured, they're placing inside this campaign here. The recently manufactured desktops. And whatever the laptops they have manufactured recently, those laptops also they're placing inside this campaign for the display purpose. The recently manufactured the printers also here. Whatever the printers they have manufactured, they're placing inside this campaign. Then, whatever the tabs they have manufactured, these are tabs also they're placing inside this campaign for the display purpose. Whatever the smartphones they have manufactured, those smartphones also they're placing inside this campaign for the display purpose. So they would like to place the recently manufactured products inside this campaign for the display purpose, so that the people can visit my campaign, they can see how my next model of laptops, desktops and the products look like. Now in this case, in this campaign they will be having some marketing executives also. From the Dell organization, they're having few marketing executives. They're not only placing these products, they will be having few marketing executives from the Dell organization here. Now, they're having few marketing executives also inside this campaign to explain about the products. Whenever a person is visiting this campaign to explain the information about the products, they will be having Dell marketing executives also. Okay, now, so now assume that. So today they are conducting this campaign over here. Now assume that this is a road. Okay, now we have this road here. So this is a road. So behind this Maitri-Vanam building, this is the road that we have. So now every day, so many people are passing through this area. Every day, so many people are passing through this area here. Now, so many people are passing through this area every day. Now, every day, so many people are passing through this area. Now, so many people are passing through this area here. Now come to the scenario. For example, myself. Assume that this is myself over here. Now, so now last month I have joined some Java course in one of the institute in Amirpet. Last month I have joined some Java course in one of the institute in Amirpet. Since last 1 month, every day I am coming to the Amirpet, I am attending my session, I am going back to the room. It's my daily routine is happening since last 1 month. So every day I'm passing through this Maitri-Vanam building only, nothing new. But today, whenever I'm passing through this Maitri-Vanam building, behind this Maitri-Vanam building, there is a small campaign is conducting by the Dell people. Now tell me, in this case, whenever we are looking something new, then what will be the human mentality in this case? Right. They would like to see. That means the people will be having some curiosity in their mind, okay, what's going on there? It may be useful to me or not, it's a secondary thing here. So first of all, they will be having some curiosity, so what's going on there? So that here, the people are going to visiting over there. Now, for example, as a person, myself also I'm having some curiosity, I would like to visit this campaign over here. So in order to know what's going on there, I'm reaching to this campaign. Whenever I'm reaching to this campaign, okay, one of the marketing person will start the conversation with me. One of the marketing person will start the conversation with me, and he will be giving the information about each and every product. Whatever the products they have placed in display, okay, for each and every product he has given the information over here. Once he has explained this whole information, then finally he is giving a small form to me to fill up my details here. He is giving a small form to me to fill up my details here. In this form, I have filled up my details. I have given my details here. Okay, this is what the process is happening over here. Now in this case, I am the person who just showed interest in Dell products here. Because of my curiosity, I have visited this campaign. I may buy the product or not, there is no guarantee. It's a secondary thing. Just because of my curiosity, I have visited this campaign over here. Now here in this case, the people who just showed interest in your product, that means the person who just showed interest in your product or service, those people are called as lead. Those people are called as lead. So what do you mean by lead? Lead is nothing but a person who just showed interest in your product or service. You may be offering either a product also, you may be offering either a services also. In your product or in your services, the people who just showed interest, those people are called as lead. Okay, now tell me, for example, over here, come to a small scenario. Let me explain a small general scenario. Assume that We have our institute Capital Info. So now we are the monopoly for Salesforce training, especially here. Now every day, so many people are visiting the Capital Info in order to get some inquiry about the Salesforce new batch. Now tell me, the people who are visiting to a reception, okay, all the people are joining our institute? No, because nearby we don't have any new batch because it's a festival seasons. So we don't have any new batch. We'll be starting a batch after 2 months over here. In that case, the people can't wait. They want to start that course immediately. So beside that Capital Info, there is one more institute that's starting a new batch next week. So immediately they will join that. That means what? The people who are coming to our organization, those people are not our customers. Leads are different, customers are different. Lead in the sense what? The person who just showed interest in our product or service. Lead is not our customer. Lead is different. Customer is different. Lead in the sense the person who just showed interest in my product or service. They may buy the product, they may not buy the product. There is no guarantee here. Now, in this case, these leads are also called as prospect. This lead is also called as a potential customer. This lead is also called as a potential buyer. Potential buyer. All the terminologies are same. Now, lead or prospect or potential customer or potential buyer. Anything, any of the terminology we can use over here. Okay, now tell me in this case, how we are capturing these leads? By conducting various campaigns. So, in order to capture the leads, we are using the help of marketing mechanism that is called as campaign. So now, whenever we are conducting the campaigns, whenever we are doing the marketing about our products, the people who just showed interest, those people will be called as our leads. Okay, those people will be called as our leads. Okay, now understood the concept over here? Campaign is nothing but one of the marketing channel which is used to promote our products. Through this campaigning, we can capture leads. Lead in the sense a person or an organization or a business who just showed interest in our product or service. Okay, so now lead need not be a person here. Now tell me, for example, Dell people are offering okay laptops, desktops, mobiles, and so many products. Now tell me, who is purchasing this Dell products? Only the individual people? No. For example, I'm running a business, a supermarket here. For my supermarket, I want some 10 desktops. Then from where we can buy? Do we need to manufacture? No, we can buy from Dell. For example, we are TCS. Okay, we are the TCS company. In my company, we have some lakhs of employees who are working for our customers. For every employee, we have to provide a system. It may be laptop or desktop. Then now tell me, will the TCS people are manufacturing any laptops and desktops, all these things? No. So whatever the laptops and desktops they need, they can purchase from any one of the vendor. It may be from Dell also, HP also, Lenovo also, from any other vendors. In this case, when coming to the lead is nothing but a person or an organization or a business who just showed interest in your product or service. Okay, understood the concept here? Now, so in this case here, now who is capturing these leads? Marketing people here. How they are capturing? By conducting various marketing channels like as campaigning or stalls, TV advertisements, theater advertisements. They keep on using the various marketing channels in order to promote the products. During that promotion, if anybody showed interest, those people information we are collecting as a marketing person. Okay, now so the people who just showed interest in our product or service, those will be called as leads or prospect or potential customer, or that is also called as potential buyer. Now tell me, what is the relation between campaign and the lead? Is it one to one or one to many? One to many. Why one to many?
Too many. One.
Now, hmm. Now, how many campaigns we are conducting here? Only one. Now tell me here, whenever Dell people are conducting a campaign in Amirpet, only myself is visiting the campaign or other people also will visit? Other people also, not only
Many
myself,
peoples.
so many people also will visit that. So campaign is only one, leads are many,
Many.
so that we have
Many.
one to many relation between campaign and lead. By conducting one campaign we can capture multiple leads also. Okay, clear? Understood the concept now? Next,
Yes. Yes, sir.
now let's see. So now once the leads people's information has been captured, as a marketing person, once the leads information has been captured, then what needs to be done? What needs to be done?
It should be
What
stored.
is the next step? Hmm.
They maintain the data records.
Okay, then who will do that one?
Uh, need
We
to
need to
send
follow up that lead
frequent.
people. In this case, whatever the leads information we have captured, this leads information we are passing to sales team. Okay, because as a marketing person my job is over. My job is what? Just we have to keep on promote the products by using
Promoting the
various
product. Yeah.
marketing channels, collect the leads information. Once the leads information has been captured, then we have to pass this leads data to sales team. With this one my job is over, because as a marketing person I'm not involving in sales, I'm not involving in service over here. Just I'm going to be keep on promoting the products. Today I have conducted the campaign in some Amirpet area. I have captured the leads. I'm passing to sales team. Tomorrow I will conduct a campaign in some Secunderabad. I will collect the leads. I will pass to the sales team. Day after tomorrow I will conduct the campaign in different location. I will capture them. This is my responsibility here. So now keep on. We are promoting the products. We can capture the leads, pass the leads data to the sales team. That's it. Our job is over. Now, so once the leads information has been passed to the sales team, now in the sales department, they will be having so many people like the sales head, sales managers, sales executives are available. So now what these people will do, now the sales team will come into the picture. Now these people are going to be contacting the lead. Okay, these people will contact the lead over the phone, or by sending an email notification, or by meeting the people directly by taking some appointment here. Okay, now the sales team will be interacting with the lead over the phone, or by sending an email notification, or by meeting the people directly by taking some appointment. So once the sales team is meeting that lead person, then they will start giving the information about our organization. They will be giving the information about our products, what new features we have introduced inside the product, how the designs will look like, how the configurations look like, what discounts we are offering, what benefits we are offering, what warranties we are offering, what services we are offering. Everything they will be giving the information to the lead person, and if required, they will follow up with the lead person multiple times also. They will follow up with the lead multiple times, and finally they will do some sugar coating to the lead person, and finally they will convince the lead person to buy our product. Okay, they would like to convince the lead person to buy the product here. Now once the lead person is ready to buy the product, then we are going to be converting the lead as our customer here. Okay, once the lead person is ready to buy the product, then we are converting the lead as our customer. Clear? Understood the concept here? This is the basic difference between lead and the customer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
lead in the sense the person who just to showed interest in your
Interest.
products here, those will be called as leads. Like for
Leads.
example, come to a scenario here. Now I think every weekend we are visiting so many shopping malls over here. Now to that shopping mall, so many people are coming to the shops. They're observing so many products also. Now some people are coming to the shopping mall to buy the products. Some people are coming to the shopping mall for time pass, because yeah, they're feeling bored in the hostel also, room also, so they would like to get relaxation, so that they would like to go to outside. They're going to the shopping mall, they will spend some time over there, they will come back to the home. That means in this case the people who are visiting my shop, all the people are not my customers. Some people will buy, some people won't buy my products here because they don't like my product. Okay, now, so in this case here, when coming to the lead is nothing but a person or an organization or a business who just showed interest in my product or service. Once the lead person is ready to buy the product, then we are converting this lead as our customer. That means he is no more our lead, he is our customer from now onwards. Because he is going to buy the product. He is ready to buy the product. From this customer, from this person, I'm generating some revenue here so that here he will be our customer. Okay. Now, in this case, let's see. Once the lead person is ready to buy the product, then we are going to be convert the lead as a customer. We are converting the lead as a customer here. Whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce will generate three records. Okay, Salesforce will generate three records. First one here, let's see. Salesforce will generate three records. Upon converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce will generate three records. First one, an account record. Second one, a contact record. Third one, an opportunity record. These are the three records will be generated by Salesforce. Whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce will generate three records, an account record and a contact record and an opportunity record. Now in this case, you have to understand what is account record, what it contains. What is this contact record, what it contains. What is this opportunity record, what it contains, you should be aware of. Okay, now let me explain what is this account record first. First one, account record. Now tell me generally, what do you mean by account? Account means what?
Information, personal information.
Information about the particular person.
Now, suppose for example, assume that, so I went to a shop, I have purchased a product. Then myself will be called as what? Customer. Okay, myself will be called as a customer because I have purchased the product. Now, as part of CRM terminology, as part of CRM domain, account means customer. Okay, in the real world, we are calling it as customer. As part of business terminology, as part of CRM domain, we are calling it as account. Account means customer. Okay, now, like for example, assume that today I went to a bank to open a new bank account. Once I'm done with that bank account opening formalities, they'll be generating one account number for me here, not the customer number. They're generating account number. That means what? That account number is indicating I am also one of the customer of this bank, so that here I can able to utilize the banking services. Now, I'm having a Gmail account. That means what? I'm a customer of Gmail. I'm having a Facebook account. That means what? I'm a customer of Facebook. That means what? Account indicates customer. Account means customer. In the real world, we are calling it as customer, but in CRM, we are calling it as account. Okay, understood the concept here? Just the terminology difference over here. If you know this terminology, then understanding the CRM features are very easy. So that here we are discussing all these terms over here. Now, whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce will generate the three records. The first one, account record, which contains the basic details of the customer. Okay, which contains basic details of the customer here. Now, it contains basic details of the customer. Like for example, name of the customer here. Okay, name of the customer. Rating value, that means here what rating we are providing to the customer. Depends upon the number of products the customer is purchasing, we can give some high rating to the customer. Based on the high rating, we can offer some more discounts in future here. Now, Industry name of the customer. To which industry customer is associated. Whether customer is working in a banking industry, finance industry, insurance company, or manufacturing company, or chemical company, or what? In which company he is working here. So to indicate that, okay, industry type, we are using industry here. Annual revenue. That means what is the annual revenue of this customer here? Next. Type of the customer here. We can capture this a type of the customer. Ownership. That means whenever we are going to be capturing the customer details, customer is working in a company. Now that company is what? Is it a public organization, private organization, or is it a subsidiary? Public means what? Government sector. Private means it's a private organization, or is it a subsidiary over here? That means it's a group of company here. So in order to capture that, we are using ownership. And then phone number of the customer, fax number of the customer, website name of the customer here, billing address, shipping address of the customer, and
Sir, small
SLA,
doubt.
that means service level agreement. SLA stands for service level agreement. What kind of warranty I have committed to the customer here? Suppose for example, whenever we are purchasing some products, they're giving various types of warranties over here. Like sometimes they're offering off-site warranty here. That means whenever if I'm facing any problem with the product, we have to go to the service center. Sometimes they're providing on-site warranty. On-site warranty. That means we no need to go to the service center. Service person will come to our location over here. That is called as on-site warranty. Now, nowadays, for laptops also, for even some fans also, they're offering on-site warranty over here. We no need to go to any service center. Service person will come to our location directly here. Okay. Now, in this case, now what type of SLA we have committed over here? And then customer priority. So now here, what is the preference? What is the preference that we're giving to the customer? Active status, whether customer is active or not, all these details we are going to be storing inside the account record. So account record contains basic details of the customer. In order to store the basic details of the customer, we are having this account record, which includes name of the customer, rating value, industry name, annual revenue here, type of the customer, ownership, phone and the fax, website information, billing address of the customer, shipping address, SLA, priority, active status, whether customer is still active or not, all this information will be storing inside account record here. Okay, clear? Next, second one, contact record. So what this contact record contains? What did you understood with this word contact record? What it contains?
The contact details
Information
about
of
the
contact.
customer.
Contact details. In order to communicate with the
Contact
customer, whatever the communication details are required, all the communication details are available inside this contact record. So contact record contains all the communication details. All the
But
communication details of the customer. Now, let me explain. So, what communication details are available inside this contact record? We can now let me explain over here. Now, it contains the salutation. That means either the customer is Mr. or Miss or Mrs. whatever. It will be holding that complete details here. And then first name of the contact person, last name of the contact person, title, that means a designation of the person here, birth date of that contact person, that means customer, in order to send some greeting cards, in order to send some wishes to that customer on the occasion of his birthday, so that we can maintain a proper communication with my customers also. Okay, now the next one, phone number of the customer, fax number of the customer, mobile number of the customer, home phone number of the customer, other phone. If he is having any other phones, we can collect the other phone number of the customer also. Suppose if the customer is a very VIP person or a celebrity or a politician, then they don't carry any mobiles over here. They will be having some assistant. If you want to communicate with the people, we have to communicate with them over that assistant. That assistant phone number also. Assistant phone number. Email ID also. Mailing address. All this information will be storing inside the contact record. So the contact record contains the contact details of the customer in order to communicate with the people, and then what are the communication details are required, all are available inside this contact record. Now here you might be raising a question also. Sir, already in account record we are having phone number and the fax number. Why you are maintaining a contact record separately here? I will come to that concept over here. I will come to that point also. Okay, now we'll see that part as well here today. I will explain why Salesforce is maintaining a separate contact record. So because already we are capturing the phone number, fax number inside the account record itself over here. Okay, we'll see that part as well. Next one. Third one, opportunity record. So what exactly the opportunity record indicates? What it means? What did you understood with this word opportunity record?
The potential buyer, potential customer.
Okay.
Possibility of the
Hmm.
consumer or lead.
Okay.
Benefits of the customer.
Hmm.
Potential benefits of the customer.
Okay. Now, what do you
Prospect.
mean by opportunity record? What it contains?
So maybe the turnover value, maybe example 100K, we're going to get a business from that person. So maybe that amount or that value maybe will be there.
Right. Exactly. Now, let me explain a small general scenario to understand opportunity very easily here. What exactly the opportunity indicates? Now, let me explain. For example, today morning, I went to a supermarket to buy some vegetables or fruits and some grocery items. So I have collected so many items from the supermarket. I have placed into my basket or trolley. Then I went to that billing counter. Now the billing counter person, the salesperson is preparing the bill over here. Okay, now they're preparing the bill like this. This is the bill here. I have collected some apple, that is 2 kg. That is some 400 rupees. Some mango, 1 kg, which is some 200 rupees. Orange, which is some 2 kg, that is 200 rupees. Some potato, 1 kg, which is some 50 rupees. Shampoo bottle here, which is one, which is some 200 rupees. So these are the products which I have selected here. Now they are generating the bill. The total bill amount over here. What is the bill amount? 1050 rupees. Okay, 1050 rupees. Now that means what? Today, supermarket people got the opportunity to get 1050 rupees of revenue from my side. I'm the customer. I have purchased the products over here. What products I have purchased? These are the products I have purchased. What is the quantity? This is the quantity here. How much revenue they have generated here? 1050 rupees. That means what today supermarket people got the opportunity to generate the revenue of 1050 rupees from my side. Okay. That means what here? Opportunity indicates what? How much revenue we have generated from the customer. How much business we did with the customer. That means he is our customer. Customer means what? Who purchased my products. Then what products he has purchased. How many products he has purchased. How much revenue we have generated. That will be indicating by opportunity record. Account record contains only customer records. Contact record contains only contact details. This opportunity record contains the actual product details which has been purchased by the customers. So, what products the customer has purchased, what is the quantity of items he has purchased, how much revenue we have generated from the customer, that will be indicating by opportunity record. So, in my shopping mall or supermarket, upon purchasing the items, whatever the bill they are generating, that bill is called as an opportunity. Okay, that bill is called as opportunity here. Now, whenever you are purchasing any item from any shopping mall also, it may be wardrobes also, electronical showrooms also, it may be like as your, okay, any other products also, vegetables also, grocery items also, fruits also, anything, whatever the bill or whatever the invoice they have generated, that bill or invoice is called as opportunity, which indicates how much revenue they have generated from the customer here. Okay, understood the concept here? So, opportunity is mainly dealing with money. It is always dealing with money. How much business we did with the customer, how much revenue we have generated from the customer, that will be indicating by opportunity record. Okay, clear? Now, so now let's see in this case. It indicates how much business we did with the customer. That will be indicating by the opportunity record. So in this case, opportunity record contains the details like the name of the opportunity and the amount, how much revenue we have generated from the customer here, and then close date.
Quantity.
That means here on what date we have generated the revenue over here, and the stage name. All these details will be available inside that here. Okay, all the details will be available inside this opportunity record here. Clear? Now, so now here these are the three records will be generated by Salesforce, okay, upon converting the lead as our customer. Whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce will generate an account record and a contact record and an opportunity record. Now, this entire process, whatever we have discussed today, this is called as lead conversion mechanism in Salesforce. This is called as lead conversion process or lead conversion mechanism. It's 100% common question in every interview. Could you please describe about lead conversion mechanism? Okay, now you have to give the complete information. Now let me recap this part here. How can we explain? So whenever if anybody asking the question, okay, could you please describe about lead conversion mechanism, then how can we explain? Now, in this case, we can say, when coming to the organizations, each organization is offering either some set of products or some set of services. So once the products or services are ready, in order to promote the products, they are using the help of marketing team. The marketing team is using various marketing channels in order to promote the products. So now to promote the products, they are conducting so many campaigns. So during that campaign, so many people are showing their interest towards our products. So in that case, the people who just showed interest in our product or service, those are called as lead. So lead is nothing but a person or an organization or a business who showed interest in our product or service. Once the leads information has been captured by the marketing team, they will pass the leads information to sales team. Now the sales team will contact the lead over the phone or by sending an email notification or by meeting the people directly by taking some appointment. So once they meet the people, they will start giving the information about our organization. They will give the information about our products also. They will give the information about the new features which we have introduced, benefits what we are offering, discounts what we are offering. services what we are offering, warranties what we are offering. They will give the whole information to the people. If required, they'll follow up with the people multiple times also, and finally they will convince the lead to buy our product. Once a lead person is ready to buy the product, then we are converting the lead as a customer. Upon converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce will generate the three records: an account record which contains the basic details of the customer, a contact record which contains communication details of the customer, an opportunity record which describes the revenue generated from the customer. This entire process is called as lead conversion process in Salesforce. Okay, clear? Understood the concept now? Next. Now, in this case here, next one. So now, for example, we have sold out the products to the customer. Now tell me, as a general person here, upon purchasing any product from the organization, what is our first question to the salesperson? We are checking that whether do we have warranty or not. Okay, because we are investing some money. Okay, it may be 10 rupees also, 100 rupees also, 1000 rupees also here. It may be anything. It may be small amount, it may be big amount also. We are expecting some warranty. We need some assurance. Now, so now here in this case, we are expecting some assurance from that organization. We are asking to the salesperson, do we have any warranty for the product or not? So they will be giving the clear information. We have the warranty here. Okay, like we are offering, okay, 1 year of free service. We are offering 1 year of warranty. Within this 1 year, if the problem is having, okay, if there is any problems are available here, if there is a major defect is available, then we'll be replacing the product. Suppose if there is any small problems are available, we'll be doing the service for that. Okay, now, so in this case here, for example, 6 months back, I have purchased a product. Assume that this is a laptop here. I have purchased this laptop from HP organization 6 months back. So upon purchasing the product, they have given 1 year of warranty here. Within 1 year, if I'm facing any problem with the product, then HP people are responsible. They will do the free service. Now, today, okay, today, when you press the power button in my laptop is not rebooting. It is not starting here. Then what can I do in this case? We need to go to that service center. Now
Service
the
center.
time is night 11 o'clock. Now the time is night 11 o'clock here. Service center will be getting closed during that time. Then what we can do?
Contact the
We
customer
can
service.
contact
Now,
customer
in
care
this
or
case, what
send.
needs to be done? We have to contact the customer care. How can we contact? Where is the contact details in the warranty card? In the warranty card, they have given that customer care contact number also, service centers details also, support email ID also, support@some hp.com, like that. They have given all the communication details to communicate the customer support upon facing the problem with the product. Now, in this case, whenever I'm facing the problem with the product, what I need to do? I have to make a call to the customer care. I have to raise a complaint. Okay, I would like to raise a complaint. Now, that complaint is also called as case. Case. Now tell me who will receive my cases? Marketing team? Sales team? No.
Care.
Who will take care of this
Customer
one?
support.
Service team.
Service team.
Service team.
Service
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 team.
team.
That means
Okay.
marketing process is over, sales process is over. Now it is entering into service over here. Okay? Because here marketing people's main job is they have to promote. Sales people's responsibility is they have to sell out the product. That's it.
Sell out.
They have to convert that lead as customer. That's it. Okay? With that one, their job is over. They won't involve in marketing, they won't involve in service. Now, for the service, we are having some specialized people. Now, whenever we are facing any problem with the product, then immediately we can make a call to the customer care, we can raise a complaint. That complaint is called as case. Okay, now tell me in this case, how can we define a case? Can you give me some definition for the case? How can we define? How to define a case? A general meaning over here. Okay,
Laptop.
the problem which we are
Laptop.
facing with the
Description of the
product, that
issue.
will be called as case. Now, suppose for example, here come to a scenario. Since last 6 months, my product is working very fine, no issue. Since today morning only, when I press the power button, it is not rebooting. Now, for example, if I'm raising a complaint like this, I made a call to the customer care. One of the customer care executive received my call. I have given the information. Okay, dear customer support, my laptop is not working. If I said my laptop is not working, how the people can understand my problem? We need to give the clear information to that person, right? Yes. Okay, like the similar way in our general mechanism. Whenever I'm going to a hospital to consult a doctor regarding my health issue, if I said to the doctor I'm not feeling well, then how the doctor can understand what exactly the problem? Is it a fever or cold or cough or body pains or what? He can't understand anything. We need to give the complete information. Then only he can understand our problem. Then he can suggest some medicative treatment. Like the similar way here also, whenever we are facing any problem, make a call to the customer care and raise a complaint by giving the detailed information. So, case is nothing but the detailed information of the problem which the customer is facing with our product or service. He may be using our product, he may be using our services. Okay, with our product or with our service, whatever the problem he is facing, the detailed information of the problem is called as a case. Okay, now we have to explain, dear customer support, since today morning when I press the power button, my laptop is not rebooting. Then they can understand the problem is because of power button here. Then they will suggest you some solution. Maybe that power button may not be working properly. Maybe the charger adapter may be dead. Maybe the power socket is not working properly here. So they will suggest so many solutions to you to fix the problem. Suppose still if the problem is persisted, if the problem is not solved, then they will suggest you to go to the nearest service center. They'll fix your problem over here. There is a problem in the product here, so they will fix that problem here. It's not the problem of your power socket. It's not the problem of the charger adapter. Everything is working very fine, but the problem is with the power button. Our service center people will fix the problem here. So based on that information only, they will be suggesting that proper solutions to you. Okay, clear now? So in this case, let's see how can we define this case. Case is nothing but the detailed information
About the
of the
problem.
problem, about the problem which is facing by the
A customer.
customer with our product or service. Okay, now, so in this case, as a customer, it's our responsibility. Okay, we have to raise a complaint. Now, the service people will be receiving my case here. Now, tell me, once as a service person, once I receive the case, what can I do? Simply, I have to register the case. I need to sit idle. That's it. As a service person, we need to
Need
register
to
the case and sit
no,
idle.
check with the
No.
technical team.
Now, in this case, it's our responsibility. We have to fix the customer's problem here. Whatever the problem, okay, he's facing with our product or service, we need to provide the proper solution. We have to fix the problem because as a service person, it's our responsibility. We have to respond immediately whenever the customer is facing the problem. We have to be communicate with the customer also. We have to maintain a proper relationship with the customer because for every organization, sales is not important. Service is very important. Customer will buy the product only once, but as an organization, we have to provide lifelong service to the customer. So in that case, immediately we have to respond. So that here we are going to be providing the solution immediately here. So we are providing solution. What do you mean by solution? Solution is nothing but the detailed information of the resolution of the case. Whatever the case has been lodged by the complaint customer, whatever the complaint has been raised by the customer, in order to fix that problem, whatever the step-by-step approach we used to follow, that step-by-step approach is called as the solution here. Okay, now let's see. Solution is nothing but the detailed information of the resolution of the case. Okay, the detailed information of the resolution of the case. Okay, Clear? Now. So now here these are few terminology over here. Okay, these are few terminology. Now. So till now we have discussed few terms. What are all the terms that we have discussed? Campaign. We have discussed about lead, account, contact,
Contact, opportunity,
opportunity,
case,
case, solution.
solution.
Like the similar way we have, okay, product. To store all the products information, we have product. To store the prices of each and every product, we have price book. To store the orders information, we have order. To store the contract information, we have contract. Like that, we are having so many terms are available here. So whatever the terms that we have discussed till now, these terms are called as objects in Salesforce. These are called as objects. Now, so now do you know what do you mean by an object? Now, in our general terminology, this object is called as table. That's it. You know. What do you mean by table? How the table look like? Rows and columns. That's it. Okay. The table is called as object in Salesforce. Just the terminology difference over here. As part of general terminology, we are calling it as a table. As part of Salesforce CRM, we are calling it as object. Object means table. Okay. Object means table. These are all our objects of Salesforce. Campaign is an object. Lead object, account object, contact object, opportunity, case, solution, product, price book, order, contract. These are all our objects of Salesforce. That means these are all on the tables. Okay. These are the various terms which we are keep on using every day in our daily business activities. As part of CRM, we should be aware of these terms over here. Okay, we should be aware of these terms. These are the various terms that keep on we are using regularly as part of our training sessions also over here. Okay, understood the concept over here? What exactly the lead conversion mechanism? Clear up to this one?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now let's see. Now here this is the process we have discussed. Now let's come back to our CRM life cycle here. Now tell me. So what do you mean by reach stage now? Hmm. How can we do the reach stage now?
Marketing?
Reach stage means what? We are going to be reaching to the people. How?
Campaign.
Marketing.
Marketing.
Okay, campaigning. That means marketing. Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Simple concept here. Now reach stage here. Now the reach stage is indicating that we are going to be approaching to the people over here. Approaching to the people. Now, second one, acquisition. That means what?
Sales,
Hmm. Capturing the leads.
leads, capturing the leads.
Capturing the leads. How to capture the leads by using that? Okay, campaigns, we know that.
Yeah.
Next, conversion means what?
Converting leads into customers.
Converting the leads into the sales.
Lead to the
Right.
customer.
Convert
Lead to
leads.
the customer.
Converting the lead into the sales.
Okay, converting the leads to customers. Now, retention means what? Now, we need to
Retaining the
retain the
customer
customer with
by
us.
providing customer
Now,
service.
retaining the customer means what here? We have to make the customer should be always a stay with us for some time. When the customer will stay with us, whenever if I'm offering very good services, whenever if I'm offering quality services to the customer, then customer will stay with me for a long time. That means customer will continue to use my products for a long time here. Suppose whenever the customer is facing some problem, if I'm not responding immediately, if I'm not responding to the customer's problem, then customer will be going to some different organization. In future, if he needs some product, he will go to some different company. He will be giving some wrong feedback. Because of the wrong feedback, other people won't show interest my products here. So that
Yes.
because of that, I'm losing some credibility in the market over here. That's what always we have to retain the customer with us. For that one, we have to offer quality services. That's what service is very, very important for every organization. Okay, now, so that here retention means here we need to offer quality services. Offer quality services. Offer quality services to the customer. And then, so what is the last one here? Loyalty means what? If I'm offering the quality services, then we can maintain our brand in the market over here. Maintain the brand in the market.
The market.
If I'm not offering any quality services to the customers, then we will be losing our credibility in the market. So from next time onwards, nobody will trust my organization. Nobody will show interest on my products. Nobody will buy my products. So because of that, I will be losing my business also over here. These are the 5 stages that we have. Now tell me in this case here. This is the reach stage. So now we are having this reach stage over here. Now, so now tell me how can we do this one? Now from reach stage to okay, acquisition. How can we do this one here? Now, how to reach to the people, how to capture the people? By using what? Marketing. Okay, by using the help of
marketing.
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 Marketing. Okay, marketing. Next, after that here. So now we are going to be converting the people as our customer. Who will take care of this one?
Sales.
Sales team.
Sales. This
Sales.
process will be comes under sales.
Sales
Sales.
team.
Now, from there onwards, we are going to be retaining the customers to us here. That will be with the help
Service.
of service.
Service team.
Service.
Service.
Service here. Because of that service, we can able to maintain our brand in the market also over here. Now, so now we can able to maintain our brand in the market as well here. Next, once you are maintaining in the brand, then again we are going to be reaching to the people. Okay, again we are reaching to the people over here. Then we can able to capture the people. Okay, we can capture the people and we can convert the people as our customers. We can offer the services. We can able to maintain the brand. Again, we can able to reach to the customers, capture the people, convert them as the customers, offer the service, maintain the brand. Again, we are going to be using that same process. So this is like as a cyclic process over here as part of our business. Okay, so now this is the CRM life cycle that we have as part of your Salesforce org. This is the CRM life cycle. So now as part of this CRM life cycle, these are the 5 stages are available. We have reach stage, we have acquisition stage, we have the conversion stage, retention stage, and then we are having this loyalty stage. These are the 5 stages are available as part of your CRM life cycle. Okay, clear? Understood the concept here? Now, so now each stage here, what we are doing here, we have discussed with a general example also here. Okay, understood the concept till now? No.
Yes, sir.
So in this case,
Yes,
whenever you are accessing any CRM application, upon accessing any CRM application, it may be Sugar CRM or PeopleSoft CRM, Siebel CRM, Salesforce CRM, Oracle CRM, okay, Microsoft CRM, anything, this terminology will be same. No change. There also you will be having same campaign, lead, account, contact, opportunity, case, solution, everything will be same. No change at all over here. Okay. These are the various terminology that we are using as part of your Salesforce CRM here. Then, how can we convert these leads as a customers? Okay, we'll see practically in tomorrow's session. And then tomorrow I'm going to discuss about the releases of Salesforce. How frequently Salesforce is providing the new releases, and along with that I would like to specify the server instances. That means as part of infrastructure facilities, how many servers are maintaining by Salesforce in different regions. In North America region, how many servers are available and what are those server names? In Europe region, how many servers are available? In Asia Pacific region, how many servers are available? How to check the server's information, how to check the server status, how to verify the historical status of the server, how to verify the maintenance calendar of the server for the next 1 year. Everything we'll see practically in tomorrow's session here. I will show you with the live concept here. Okay? Clear up to this one? Now.
Okay,
So now
sir.
generally, okay, initially when you go to that any training institute also, first of all, on the first day they will give the demo session, second day they will show you how to create the Salesforce account. So once you are creating the Salesforce account, everything will be looking like as new. We don't know what is this word terminology, we can't understand. If you know the complete background process of Salesforce, if you know the terminology and the architectural concepts, everything, then if you're creating the Salesforce account, you will be having a clear picture in your mind. That's what here in every batch I will be giving the complete background architecture of Salesforce first. Then I will show you how to create your Salesforce account. Then you will be having clear idea upon creating the Salesforce account what is happening behind the screen, how much memory it will allocate, what applications it will provide, what objects are available, what is the use of this object. Everything will be having clear idea on that. That's what I will be giving the complete background architecture, and then we'll see practical concepts also. Okay, now, and we are having the session tomorrow, day after tomorrow also as usual. Day after tomorrow is some elections, okay, day in Telangana state, even though we'll be having the session as usual here. Okay, are you staying any far locations? Sorry, Gachibowli. Okay,
No, sir.
now for the online people, same link will be available here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now, so tomorrow we'll continue with that. Okay, releases and the server.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Okay, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much,
sir.
sir.